Just when you thought 2020 could not get any weirder, Warren Buffett has decided to invest in gold. How's it going, guys? Ryan here and welcome to another video, and today we're talking about a bit of a different topic. We're talking about Warren Buffett, one of the most famous and successful investors in the world, and what he's actually up to at the moment. But before we get started, guys, I hope you are enjoying the new setup. It's looking a lot nicer in my opinion, and I've had some good feedback from you, so thanks for that, guys. And remember to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the latest content. Like this video if you do enjoy it, it helps me out, guys, and leave down below in the comments who your favorite investors are and what they're currently up to. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight into the video. And what is Warren Buffett doing now? Now, as you know, Warren Buffett owns Berkshire Hathaway, and that is one of the largest investing institutions in the world. And they typically invest in the similar sectors all the way throughout their career. But we've seen something that has occurred recently which has never occurred in the history of Berkshire Hathaway, and Warren Buffett has actually invested in a gold mining company. That company is Barrick Gold, to be exact. And this is very interesting. A, because it's gold and he's never invested in it, and B, because it's a mining company. These are two things that you don't seem to see Berkshire Hathaway focus on too much. So this makes you think, okay, what's going on? And the first thing to look at is it's a significant investment. We're talking roughly $560 million worth of Barrick Gold. That is absolutely crazy and an unfathomable amount of money for someone like myself, and I'm sure many of you out there, but that is a huge stake, and it is really telling for the times ahead. Now, there's a few things that were going on when he decided to invest in gold. The first thing was that COVID-19 was occurring. Now, this is still ongoing in the world, but it was at a time when COVID was really making an impact on not only the global economy, but global share markets as well. So as a result, what you saw was a lot of companies dropping in value quite significantly. It doesn't matter if you're a huge corporation or a micro cap stock, you still suffered as a result. Now, one thing to keep in mind is this bounced back, and Warren Buffett timed it quite well. So he got into Barrick Gold when it was at an undervalued level. So as a result, since that point, the stock has increased significantly, along with lots of the stock market and many other stocks as well. So in that sense, he's capitalized on the market situation and known that the market at some stage is going to go back up. It's all about timing from that perspective. Secondly, when we're talking COVID-19, we're looking at insecurity. People are scared. So what do you invest in uncertain times? And generally people hedge their bets in gold. And as a result, Warren Buffett has done this once again as well. Not only has he picked the bottom, he's also invested in gold, which is a typical hedge in times of uncertainty. Thirdly, there is another interesting point that has been occurring, and that is the gold price at the moment. The gold price over the past few months has hit all-time highs, which is absolutely phenomenal. So that means for a producer such as Barrick Gold, doesn't matter if they change the amount of gold that they're producing, they're making more money per ounce that they're taking out of the ground, which means the company is more profitable overall. That is a very key factor when it comes to Warren Buffett's investments: profitable companies and growth. And growth of the stock price when it comes to a company of that scale is driven by the amount of money they can make on a margin level. So if we're talking, okay, we can't adjust the costs anymore, then we need to be able to sell the resource or the goods at a higher price. And that's exactly what has occurred now, guys. There are three key reasons, in my opinion, that Warren Buffett invested in Barrick Gold. And an interesting point is if you go online and look at the media, you'll see interviews with members from his investment company. And basically, they've only come out with and said he's invested in Barrick Gold because he believes it's just fundamentally undervalued. And I couldn't agree more. And that goes for a lot of gold stocks at the moment. They dropped and dropped and dropped, then they bounced back. But the gold price is also rising. There is lots of predictions out there right now that the gold price is going to go absolutely crackers, guys. So keep your eye out for that sort of thing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And let me know your thoughts on some of the other investing gurus in the world, what they're doing right now and why you think they're doing it. Do you think it's good investment? Do you think it's a bad investment? Let us know down in the comments section below. And with that, guys, I hope you have an awesome day. See you next time. Cheers.